In this video, you'll learn how to set up a CNAME record on Cloudflare. By following these steps, you will successfully configure your DNS settings to point a domain or subdomain to another domain. Begin by navigating to the Cloudflare dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Cloudflare website. If you are not already signed in, provide your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard displaying your domains. Next, locate the Account Home section. This is usually found on the left side of the dashboard. Click on Account Home to proceed. The page will reload, showing an overview of your account settings and the domains you have added. After that, find the Domains option in the menu. This is typically visible at the top of the page. Clicking on Domains will direct you to a list of all the domains associated with your account. Ensure you select the correct domain for which you want to set up the CNAME record. Once this appears, click on the Overview tab. This tab provides details about the selected domain, including its current DNS settings. It is important to verify that you are on the correct domains overview page before continuing. Next, look for the three dots icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the overview section. Click on these three dots to reveal additional options related to your domain settings. This is where you will find the option to configure your DNS records. After that, select Configure DNS from the drop-down menu. This action will take you to the DNS management interface, where you can view and edit your DNS records. Ensure that you are in the DNS management section before proceeding. Now, locate the DNS management area for your domain. This section will display a list of existing DNS records. Here, you will find options to add new records. It is essential to check your current records to avoid duplication. Next, click on Type to select the type of record you want to create. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose CNAME. This option allows you to create a CNAME record, which is essential for pointing your domain to another address. After you select CNAME, you will need to specify the name of the record. Click on the corresponding field and enter the desired subdomain or domain name you wish to point. This could be something like W or any other subdomain you require. Next, type in @ in the provided field to indicate that the CNAME record will point to the root domain. This symbol is a placeholder that tells the DNS to use the root domain for the CNAME record. Then, in the target field, enter the address of the target domain you want to link to. This should be the fully qualified domain name that you are directing traffic to. Ensure the accuracy of this entry to avoid misconfigurations. After that, click on the Save button to apply your changes. A confirmation message will typically appear indicating that your CNAME record has been successfully created. Take a moment to verify that the record is listed correctly in your DNS management section. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.